Tired of Costco-sized bills hitting your wallet all at once? Let's break down how you can use Klarna to split those bulk buys into manageable payments. First things first, head to Costco.com and start filling your virtual cart with all those tempting deals. Sadly, direct Klarna integration isn't officially available at Costco in-store yet. This method primarily works online. Browse through electronics, groceries, or that giant teddy bear you've been eyeing, and add everything you need to your Costco.com cart. Make sure you have a Costco membership, or you will not be able to order anything from the website without one. Once you're done shopping, click on your cart icon €, usually in the top right corner €, to review your selected items, double-check quantities, and hit checkout. Now, pay attention here on the payment screen. You won't see Klarna as a direct option. Instead, you'll need to choose a payment method that you can then link to Klarna, such as a debit card. Then, proceed to the Klarna app. A Klarna card is the best option during payment for larger orders. Through the Klarna app, you can create a single-use card, which makes the transaction safe and secure. Use this newly created Klarna single-use card during the payment process at Costco.com. Once you place your order, Klarna will automatically split the total cost into installments based on your chosen plan. And that's it. You've successfully used Klarna to finance your Costco online order. Enjoy your bulk savings without the bulk bill. Make sure to like and subscribe for more shopping hacks.